all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to learn mathematics. New chapter, chapter 8, shapes, symmetry and patterns. Okay children, I hope all have completed till chapter 7. Children, don't waste your time. Copy down what all I am sending. You complete it in your, copy down in your classwork note. Okay children, today we are going to learn shapes, symmetry and patterns. Okay children, shapes means what children? Rectangle. See, rectangle. This is what shape children? Rectangle. This is rectangle and this is square, isn't it children? Square, and then this is circle, and then triangle. These are shapes and more shapes are there, isn't it children? See, these are the shapes. And what is first we are going to learn about symmetry. Symmetry means what? Means, see, if a rectangle is like this, means if you fold like this and see, you can in the middle you could have a dividing line. Can you see children? Can you see this? This is called symmetry. See, both see equally it has been divided, isn't it children? The two halves should completely overlap. The two halves should be same. It should be overlap. And this, the middle center, this is called symmetry. This is called symmetry. This is rectangle. And then see, circle. See, if you take a circle, see, if you fold like this, see, this is a circle. If you fold like this, in the middle we get a symmetry, isn't it? This is called the dividing. See, this is called symmetry. And see, and then square. See, this is square. When you fold like this, see, two folds are equal, and then see, we can find this is called symmetry. And this is triangle. See, triangle also, if you fold like this, you can see this is the symmetry. Okay children, now we'll see the sums which are given in the book. Okay children. Okay children, first we'll see symmetry. See, symmetry means a figure. Figure means what all includes shape, letter, number. Shape, letter and number. Shape means we saw that triangle, rectangle, that one. Letter means, see here, A, 3, H, this like this letter, and this is shapes. This is shapes. Okay children, understood or not? This is letter, number and shapes. Okay children, that can be divided or folded into two equal halves along a line is said to show symmetry. Okay children, see, can you see here? It has been divided into 2 or 1. 2 or 1. See, in H they have divided into 2. These are called symmetries. The line that divides a figure into two equal halves is called the line of symmetry. Here, dotted lines show the lines of symmetry. See, this here, this is the dotted lines. These are called lines of symmetry. A symmetrical figure can have more than one line of symmetry. See, in this one, 1. Here, 1. But in H, we can see 2 lines of symmetry. And in the rectangle, you can see 2 lines of symmetry, 1 and 2. And here, 4 lines of symmetry in square. And in circle, we can find many lines of symmetry. Many lines of symmetry. Okay, children. So, these are the lines of symmetry. First, we will see exercise 8.1. Children, this also you can do it in the book itself. What I am giving in the notebook, that one you can write in the notebook. What I have given before it's also. Okay, children, because we can't draw this one in the notebook. See, first one, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Write yes for Y for yes and N for no. So, 4 figures they have given. You have to write which is line of symmetry. Okay, children, the first aeroplane. This is equally divided. It is equally divided. So, you have to put Y. Yes. This is yes. For yes, it cannot be like symmetry because the two shapes will not be same. See, when you divide like this, you get like this shape, isn't it? But when this side what it comes, it doesn't comes like this one. It comes in the opposite one. So it is no. You should get the two shapes same. Okay children, see here rectangle. When you fold this one, when you fold like this, see when you fold like this, you can't see the example. See, this is rectangle. This is rectangle. Can you fold like this, children, equally? No, you can't fold. You can't fold. So what you when you fold, it should be equal. When you fold, it should be equal. See, if you fold like this, it is symmetry. But when you fold like this, in like the given shapes, not like this. Like this, if you put and then if you draw means it won't come. We won't get the equal shape. So it is no. And then here, this one we get, see, both the side we get the equal shape. So this is yes. Okay, children. Okay, now we will come to the second one. Draw lines of symmetry in the following figures. Draw lines of symmetry in the following figures. So what you can do here, what you can do, children, you can draw equally. You can put line like this. Understood, children? Here also you can put like this. And you can put like this also, isn't it? Like this also you can put. And here smiley like this only. You can use a scale and put draw. Understood, children? Till outside you can put, so that it will be very easy for you. And here also the same. Okay, children, this is you have draw lines of symmetry means like this only you have to draw. Understood, children? Okay, here what C1 what they have given, complete by drawing the symmetrical half. See here only half they have given. What you have to do, you have to draw E, see like this. Here what you have to do, and you have to color. You color it. Okay, children, I cannot color, you color it. And here see. Understood, children? And here also the same. Understood, children? You can color it so that it will be very easy. These are the symmetrical. This one you have to, this one yes or no, and here you have to divide, draw the lines, and here you have to complete the by drawing the symmetrical half. Half diagram is given, you have to complete. Okay, children? Will you do that one? Do it and you can color it, this one. Okay, children? Now we'll see exercise 8.2. See here 8.2. Pick the figures that show the mirror images. You can see what if you... Okay, children, see, you can see the mirror images and see, pick the figures that show mirror images. The exact mirror images, what you have to put, you have to tick. Understood, children? If you want, you can see, keep your mirror and you can check it at home. See, C means in the mirror image, it shows like this only. So what will come? It is correct. It is correct. But here 7 is given. Here the 7 is as it is. So it in mirror image like this it will come. No, it will come like this. Isn't it? Like this only it will come. But they have given the same mirror, same image. So it is wrong. It is wrong. Okay, children? So here this is correct. It is mirror image. This is mirror image. And then here this the cat. Yes, this also mirror image. See, tail is here. In the mirror image, the tail will be here. Okay, children? And the N. N also what? Correct mirror image. N also correct mirror image. But this triangle is wrong. So, this is not a mirror image. This is not a mirror image. Mirror image as it is, it won't be like this. Okay, children? So, this is the mirror image. And see, why you? I will read out here, ma. When you place an object in front of a mirror, you see its reflections in the mirror. The reflection of the object is called its mirror image. Okay, children, you have to see in the mirror. You have to keep the image and you can see, check it in the mirror. You can also flip an object to get its mirror image. Look at the reflection of the letters A and B in a mirror. See, A. A is the same object because mirror image is the same same as the object A, isn't it? But for B, what will come? It will not be like that. Mirror image is not the same as the object. Mirror image is not the same of the, it will be coming like this, okay? The mirror image of some objects look the same as the objects as seen in A. It looks as it is only. Okay, children, see, in triangle and all, it will be looking as it is only, but they have given wrong. So only I have put wrong. Okay, children, see here, triangle means the mirror image also the same triangle, the same shape only will come, but they have put wrong, upside down, so it is wrong. Okay, this is known as reflection symmetry. This is called as reflection symmetry. The letter A shows reflection symmetry while B does not. Okay, children, it shows the same reflection, but it doesn't show the same reflection. Okay, now I'll give this one as homework, so you can do this one. So you have to draw the same. See, you have to draw the same mirror image. Use pencil to draw, children. Use pencil to draw. Okay, use pencil and you draw. You have to draw for H and all. What it will come as it is only. H as it is only. You can't put this one, isn't it? But for D and all, you have to change. Okay, you draw, you complete it and you send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, children. Now we'll see. See here. First we will see tessellations. We'll see tessellations. Before tessellations, we'll see this patterns also. This patterns also we'll see. Okay, look at these designs. See, these are the designs. There are some patterns in these designs. You can see patterns in nature and in objects also. Objects around us. In nature means, see, leaves and all, as it they have given, isn't it? Have you seen the leaves, children? It will be very evenly they have given, isn't it? Patterns are made by repetition of figures in a fixed order. See, can you see the wall? A brick of a wall. See, like this only they will, then zebra crossing, and then this one. Okay, Duri. Okay, children. So these are some of the patterns. You can make patterns by repeating and extending shapes as given below. This also you can do it as it is. You can put a cross like this. You can do. See, like this. These are the patterns. Okay, children, these are the patterns. What you can do, you can draw like this. You can draw and you can color it also. As it is in the book, you can color it. Okay, children, you can color. See, here both the sides they have color like this. See, this and this one you can color it. Okay, children. Otherwise, what design you can put in the middle, you can color it. Understood? Okay. Wait, some mistake I have made, I think. You have to put like this, I think. Okay, I'll change it and send it to you. Okay, children. Okay, now tessellations. Tessellations. Look at these figures. These designs are made by tiles that fit into one another without any gap or overlapping. These tiling patterns are called tessellations. If you take a blocks, have you seen the blocks, children? When you hold it, that the blocks will be going inside. So that is called a tessellation. It should be going overlapping. It should fix into one another. That is called tessellation. See, can you see this? See, this is one tessellation. It has been fixed, but here they are having some gap. This is not a tessellation shape. Okay, children. Now 8.3 we will see. See, tick the patterns that tessellate. Tick the patterns that tessellate. What you have to know, see, they have given the flower parts like this triangle they have given. See, there is a gap. It doesn't fix each other. It doesn't fix. So, it is wrong. This is not a tessellation pattern. It is not a tessellate. Okay, children. The next one is correct, because see, it can be fixed one to another. It can be fixed one to another. So, it is correct. And then here also there is a gap. There is a gap. So, it is not a tessellate. It is, you cannot it cannot fit into one another. It cannot fit into one another. So, it is wrong. And it can be fit into one another. See, here one, it will be fitting to this shape. So, it is correct. Okay, children. So here I have drawn some of the figures. What you have to do, you have to draw like this and you have to send it to me. This is also homework. This is also homework. Understood, children? This also homework you have to do and you have to send it to me in WhatsApp or personal Google Classroom. And the last one we will see this one, and see, this is very easy. Exercise 8.4. See, there is nothing in this shape symmetry. So only I am writing everything. So don't think why Mrs. is teaching all the exercise, because nothing is there. See, here they have given some coding and decoding numbers. See, A, B, C, D till Z they have given, and then what under the alphabet they have given numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this till Z 26 they have given. So you should use this code to write the different coded message. Okay, children, so here use the code given above to decode the following messages. See, 23, 5, 12, 12. See, here 23 is there. Here 23 means what number is given, what alphabet is given? W. So I have written W. Likewise, 5 means, see here 5, what number is given? E is there. So E I have written. 12, 12. 12, 2, 12. 12 means what is given? L is given. So L, well. And then here 4. Under 4 what is given? D. And then 15 O. And 14 N. And 5 again E. So well done. Understood, children? Likewise here also second one 7 and 15. What word has given? Go green. What word has given? Go green. And then third one, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So it's very easy. Likewise, but here what you have to given, this is homework. I have written here, but you have to do this homework. Okay, children, this is homework. So what you have to do, good morning is there. So under G what is coming, children? 7 is coming. So you have to write 7 like this. You have to write 7. And then O means what is there? Under O 15 is there. So you have to write 15. And then again O means 15. Then D means again what is given? 4. So here we have written the alphabet, and here you have to write the numbers. You have to write the numbers. Use the code given above to write these messages in code. For good morning you have to write the code like this only. Understood, children? Will you write like this? So you have to write, you have to complete this and you have to send it to me. Okay, till 8.4 only I am going to take. You can neglect 8.5 and 8.5 and no need. 8.5 and 8.6 no need. Okay, children, you can omit it. We can learn later. We can learn later. Till 8.4 only I am going to teach. Okay, children. So everything I have written, you can do it in the book itself, and when what I am sending in WhatsApp, that one you can copy down in the chapter 8. Okay, children. So everything you have to do. 3 homework I have given. This one, and here one sum, and here one sum. 3 homeworks I have given. So everyone complete it and send it to me in Google Classroom. Children, without knowingly I wrote in pen, so I could not erase it. But I will do it in pencil and I will write. You copy down that one. Okay, children. So don't draw like this. Don't draw like this. I have drawn wrongly, so no need to copy down this one. Okay, children, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye.